So for today's project, we will assemble Daniel's table. So we got this from Shopee. So we are unboxing and checking if may mga damage or kung kompleto ba naman. Pero salute naman ako sa seller na ito kasi naka-bubble wrap siya and maayos naman yung pagkakapack niya lahat ng mga parts. So naka-styro pa sa loob, which is good to secure yung mga possible na ma-damage. So salute kay seller. Thank you Shopee for this one. So, I'm checking everything kung kompleto yung mga parts ng table. Saka checking kung may mga chip ba or mga damage. So far, wala naman. So, nag-provide naman sila ng complete na parts ng table natin. So, watch out na lang guys how we assemble this table. So, nag-provide din sila ng mga screws and Phillips screw na screwdriver na gagamitin natin for the assembly. So, salute kay seller. So, they have a manual na Chinese naman. Yan ang aking assistant na pampagulo. Kala mo alam niya yung ginagawa. But I love when he interact with me because bonding moment na rin namin to. Sometimes it's good if at young age nakikita rin ng anak natin or mga bata sa bahay that we're doing things like this, like simple assembly, so that they can be responsible din pag nasa tamang taon na rin sila. They'll understand these basic things on how to do it. So sadyang makulit nga lang talagang aking chikiting. Basta square or rectangle, para sa kanya it's gagawin na yun na toys niya. Magiging train na siya. So he's so excited with his new table. While mommy is figuring out yung assembly ng drawer, because the screw, it's hindi siya yung common na ginagamit natin. So I think this table is from China. So it is made of MDF lang, kaya mura. Actually guys, this is 2,800 pati shipping. Not bad naman for this kind of table. Pero yung if you want a more sturdy table, mas matibay, then I recommend na magpa-fabricate na lang. Because they use an MDF wood for this particular desk. Unlike kung pina-fabricate mo yan, pwede kang gumamit ng 3/4 na marine plywood, which is mas matibay. So, while mommy is figuring out kung paano ba i-assemble ang drawer niya and figuring out the screws that we need, kasi ang daming klaseng screw nung binigay nila. So ayan guys, medyo na-gets ko na yung assembly ng drawer. So, naintindihan ko na siya exactly kung paano ang assembly niya. Medyo naguluhan lang ako sa junakis ko at kung ano yung hinahawakan ko, kinukuha niya. See, nangingialam talaga yung anak ko, which is good. For me, it's a good start that he is curious with the things that I'm doing. Because malay mo, he will be a builder someday or an architect. We'll see kung ano yung magiging path niya sa buhay. Then I'll just support him for anything he wants. Basta ikakabuti niya. So finally, natapos na rin tayo sa assembly ng mga drawers natin. So next naman, it's yung body niya. So we'll figure out kung paano pa ang assembly din ng kanyang body. So, meron siyang dalawang legs na rectangular. So, I'm just thinking bakit isa lang yung support niya. So, yun nga guys. Kaya pala isa lang yung pinaka-horizontal support niya. Kasi, meron palang ilalagay pang additional brace na MDF din. Na additional na support niya sa baba. So, screw lang ng screw hanggang matapos. So, it's time to install the tabletop. So, still figuring out bakit ang dami niyang butas. Kaya pala ang dami niyang screw na binigay. Which is, I like din naman dito sa seller na to. So, right now, I'm teaching my niece how to assemble this table. Paano gumamit ng power tools, paano mag-assemble ng mga ganito lang na basic na table para matuto siyang mag-assemble ng mga ganito without any help of men. I'm not saying na hindi natin kailangan ng mga lalaki, but if you're an independent woman, you should learn how to do things on your own. And, you know, pag walang lalaki na tutulong sa'yo, so, sino pa ang possible na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo kundi sarili mo? Diba, guys? Ilan yung lineup? Iba, alis or pwede iba? Share table, pagawa na lang tayo papaod ng So, this is the close-up pala guys for the screw na ginamit natin dito. And this is like a lock para sa screw, which is na ignorante ako. Pero ang ganda nito kasi neat, very neat yung finish. setup natin.
Excited ka, girl.
Excited ka much? Hindi yan, guys. Lagayan mo yan ng
Crayons.
crayons, pencils, ganon.
No, not that one.
Wow! Nice table. Open mo nga. Open mo yung drawer mo. Wow! What's inside? Other one. Wow! What's inside? Nice. Okay na yung inyong working station. Daniel's table. Can you open it? What's inside your drawer? Wow! Toys and... Oh, wag mong tanggalin na. Nice. And the other one, what's inside? Wow, pang-in-school. And this is Ate Clarence's table. And Daniel's table. Hi, guys! Say hi, guys! What do you want to do? Ha? Nice na yung area niya, no?